Today, I am unboxing the REDMI game controller. Let's take a look. Detachable or integrated, Hall joystick trigger, compatible with smartphones and tablets. The D-pad direction keys are interchangeable. Detachable high and low base design. 3 types of joysticks can be replaced. High, medium, and low. It means that later on, there might be released additional decorative accessories and another package. This package is quite exquisite and the fabric texture is quite good. There is a manual for the assembly and disassembly of the game controller, a Type-C cable, and the manual. It is connected via Bluetooth, and it also comes with a set of replaceable joysticks. I think the feel is really good. Awesome. How do you open this? How do you take it apart? Let me see. The manual says to take it apart. How do you separate it? Apply force downward on the left handle like this. At the same time, the second level lever will automatically lock. Where is the second level lever? The C. Where's the secondary lever? Where's the secondary lever? Secondary lever? I see the secondary lever. Simultaneously toggle the second level lever. Follow the direction of the arrow. Hey, the second level lever. Oh, got it. Hold this first, then toggle the secondary one. This is the same. First hold this, then move the second level lever. Oh, I can't fit it in.
Oh, this works both ways. You need to pull it out, then toggle. And then it pops out.
How do you secure this? It's not stable at all. After placing the tablet in the middle, press both sides with both hands. Oh, press. Once pressed, it's okay. You see, the power button is conveniently positioned. Complete.